Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the BMO app. The BMO app is a convenient and secure way to manage your banking needs on the go. To get started, you will need to download and install the BMO app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, you can begin the setup process by tapping the Sign Up or Login button. If you are an existing BMO customer, you can log in with your online banking credentials. If you are new to BMO, you can sign up for an account directly through the app. After logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can view your account balances and recent transactions. From here, you can navigate to different sections of the app, such as accounts, transfers, and bills. To transfer money, simply tap the Transfers button and select the account you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount and recipient information, and confirm the transaction. You can also set up recurring transfers and bill payments. The BMO app also allows you to pay bills and send money to friends and family. To pay a bill, tap the Bills button and select the payee and account you want to pay from. Enter the amount and payment date, and confirm the transaction. In addition to these features, the BMO app also provides real-time alerts and notifications to help you stay on top of your finances. You can customize your alert preferences to receive notifications for things like low account balances and large transactions. To ensure the security of your account, the BMO app uses advanced encryption and two-factor authentication. You can also use the app to report a lost or stolen card, and to reset your password. Best practices for using the BMO app include regularly reviewing your account activity, keeping your login credentials secure, and monitoring your account balances and transactions. By following these tips and using the BMO app, you can easily and securely manage your banking needs on the go.